Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can change the heading style for titles and text boxes on your Wix website in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so let me go to the example website here, and what you want to do is navigate to the welcome or banner section here at the top of your website and click into your title. Now, what you want to do next, guys, is click into edit text and you will see these text settings to the right with the current heading style. So for this one here, it is heading 4. But if you click into it, you will see various heading styles with the associated px size here to the left, ranging from 18px, for example, 20px for heading 6 to heading 1, which is the largest one with 80px. So if you like having a large title, you can go, for example, with that one here. Let me just resize the text box a bit. So let me move it here to the right. And yeah, so that's how you change the heading style for your websites on Wix. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.